WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Great to see you on this Thursday afternoon. Temperatures in the 80s in many spots right now. West Point, though, up to 90 degrees. Winds becoming breezy from the southeast, at times over 20 miles per hour. A few isolated showers southeast of Louisville, southeast of Columbus. Some additional showers and storms now from Meridian to Demopolis and south into southwestern Alabama. Even a severe thunderstorm warning down here. And that is going to go until 12:30 for those folks down there. Some gusty wind possible with that. We'll be watching for that activity to continue to lift from south to north. Notice how there's some banding going on down across central Mississippi and even a little bit more back to the west. Tropical storm Laura, there it is. Now, not a hurricane, now a tropical storm. The remnant low will continue moving to the northeast, and we are going to continue to watch it. This is how it looked earlier this evening, or earlier this morning, late last night, as Laura made landfall in Louisiana. The power going out, that was in eastern Texas, and this the view in parts of Louisiana, the aftermath of all that powerful wind, gusting 130 to about 150 as we went throughout the early morning hours. But impacts around here, wind gusts maybe up to about 35 through tomorrow. A few isolated tornadoes are possible too, and some locally heavy rainfall in some spots make it over 2 inches. There's actually a tornado watch just to our west for the rest of the afternoon. Will we get one of those issued farther east later today? We'll just wait and see. Not definite, but it's a possibility. The severe weather threat continues on a low-end spectrum here, level 1, level 2 for the rest of today and tonight. We can really paint the entire region with a small chance for one of those brief spin-up tropical tornadoes later today or tonight. Maybe a better chance, I think, tomorrow across North Mississippi. So we may not have a lot of action today. Tomorrow could be a little bit more interesting with the way the wind field's set up, and as we get more unstable tomorrow. Again, we're just in a waiting game right now to see how things unfold. There's actually a flash flood watch, too, from Oxford to Iuka back into West Tennessee. That's where the heaviest rain is likely going to occur. Some spots up there may see well over 2 inches of rain. Notice on the northwestern part of our area, right there, the heaviest rain potential, lesser amounts probably farther south and east. Right now, we continue to watch some of those bands of showers and thunder showers trying to come on in. We may or may not see some of those here later on today, but it is possible. Later tonight, the area of low pressure will continue moving from Arkansas into Tennessee. Tomorrow morning, we'll wake up on a relatively quiet note, I think, at this point, but from about midday on into the afternoon on Friday, a much better chance for some heavy rain, and some of those storms here could be rotating just a little bit. So we'll be watching out for that chance for some of those spin-up tornadoes, which is always a concern on the eastern side of a landfalling tropical system. Unsettled today and tomorrow with Laura around. Now, Saturday through early next week, we are still keeping rain and storm chances in the forecast, not associated with a tropical storm, just standard summertime storm complexes, pop-up showers and storms, plenty of humidity for the next 7 days.